today I'm gonna be showing you how I make my slime. This is why I'm holding my container thingy. That is why. Yeah, that's why. So guys, if you're wondering what is the ingredient, the materials you're gonna need, or whatever you call that, I'll just put down the description down below. I'm just gonna the description thingy. Okay, I'm just gonna put link down below. Yeah, so I'm also gonna because we need glue for this. I'm gonna get any kind of glue. Okay, any kind of glue. So I have the glue. I'm gonna put it in here. Yep. I'm just gonna make this a little because I don't want to waste too much glue, okay? That's why. So guys, next, if you want to put some color, any kind of color, you may use any kind of poster paint or neon, anything like kind of things like food coloring, I guess so. So I'm gonna put it, gonna get a scoop of it. There you go, you can see. I'm just gonna make it many, like I'm gonna get like almost one scoop, but so because I want it to be like not light, I want it to be dark pink, cause so that I don't know. I just wanna know what is really the color. If it is dark pink, there you go. So it's almost, just mix it. After, you're going to put some lotion, any kind of lotion, as long as it's 1 drop. Oh, ew, why is it 2 drops? I didn't say that. Fine, we can consider 2 drops, as long as it's measured. Okay, well, I didn't measure it good, but it's okay. There you go. I'm really doing this properly. After guys, if you want, this we're gonna already put the equavator, I don't know, thingy, anything you wanna say, wanna call it, equavator. I cannot really pronounce it well. So I'm gonna use liquid detergent, any kind of liquid detergent, as long as it's a liquid detergent. So like this, 1 drop or 2, 1, 2. Okay. What? It's 3, but it's okay, 3. Because so that you won't put more. Okay, this is gonna work. Okay, so I'm gonna put. Shoot! This is where I don't want. 1, 2. Like that. Like that. Okay, there you go. Oopsie. And then if it doesn't really work, put more. I'm just gonna make it a lot, like this, I guess. It's manual. Okay, so time to get it. Okay, time to get the slime thing. Okay. It's really working. I can say it because I can feel it in my own feeling. I mean, not really. But we can put... Oh! Oh, shoot. It's in my bed already, the liquid detergent. But it's okay. I won't really... It's not that useful. Oh, it's working, huh? What do you think?
Just to chill, make the slime very chill. Don't really panic, but just make your hands very fast, like, you know, like that. Oh, come on. This is not working.
So guys, it's working. As you can see, it's working. So time to put it there first, and because I'm going to eat already my lunch. Okay. Okay. And if you love slimes, like, subscribe, and comment down below that you subscribe. And of course, I'm just gonna put the link down below, the channel of Kyrie, and you can subscribe to her if you enjoy her channel or if you love her, like things like that. So, and of course, don't forget, I'm gonna put the needs in the slime thingy. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.